Packing a lunch, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, packing a lunch. It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances that are fascinating to unpack. Let's dive in. Packing a lunch refers to the act of preparing a lunch at home and taking it to another location, often work or school. This phrase is often used in everyday English, especially in contexts where people prepare their meals ahead of time. It's a practical, cost-effective, and healthy alternative to eating out. In many English-speaking countries, packing a lunch is a common practice. It's seen as a way to save money, ensure a healthy meal, or simply because it's convenient. This phrase also carries connotations of self-sufficiency and planning. The phrase can be used in various ways. As a verb phrase, I am packing a lunch for tomorrow. As a noun phrase, a packed lunch usually includes a sandwich. It can also be used to inquire about someone's habits. Do you usually pack a lunch for work? Visualizing this phrase can be helpful. Imagine someone filling a lunchbox with sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. This activity represents the literal meaning of packing a lunch. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, packing a lunch, in both a linguistic and cultural context. It's more than just preparing food. It's about a lifestyle choice prevalent in many English-speaking societies. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of English phrases. See you in our next video.